O ganito, ganyan. Para makahinga siya.
Okay, no problem. No.
You make this one.
Like that.
Like
Okay,
that.
okay. This one.
Right, the left.
So Kabayan, this is the farmer. Welcome, Habibi. So Kabayan, we are here in Bukidnon inside a farm. We got two farmers here, Kabayan. So we will show you how it feels to be in a farm, what they do on a daily basis, Kabayan. So you do this every day?
Yeah, every day you work this one.
Yes.
You clean. If you see the grass,
Okay, you cut the grass, Kabayan, okay? Then you remove,
you remove.
okay?
You make this one.
Why you cut the grass, your brother?
Because the grass, the grass is to grow,
Yes?
he feel the corn.
The corn. He will kill the corn.
Yeah. He
So if the grass come, he will kill the corn. Who told you this? This is true?
yeah,
So the grass will kill the corn. So you cut the
grass.
grass. Every day you do this. This is your
Yeah, every
life.
day.
Every day. Okay. Okra, okay.
One.
So this is okra.
This is okra.
So this is okra. Okay.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Okay, spray. No, this one spray. All spray, sir.
Okay. And then, so you do spray on this every day.
Oh.
Wallah, Kabayan, a farmer life is not easy life, Kabayan. So now, what is this, your brother? Bakit ikaw do this, your brother? Kasi my followers, they don't know farmer work. So teach us why you do this.
Para makahinga silang maayos.
Okay.
Ganito yung gawin nyo. Kung meron kayong bara o meron kayong ganito, gamitan nyo ng bara.
Okay.
Bungkalin nyo ng bungkalin. O ganito, ganyan. Para makahinga siya. Kunin nyo yung mga damo. Ito, like this. You have a grass.
Okay.
Remove this one.
Okay.
And then remove.
So the plant will be, remove the babaero boys, basically, remove the babaero boys and the chick boys from the plant, so the plant will focus on her future. She will be a nurse in the future. Then she will produce good vegetable, fruit. Anything more you will teach us, your brother, in the farm? This is banana farm, right? Banana tree. Show us the banana, your brother. Yalla, Mimi, ya Kabayan, see. Oh, Kabayan, they really did it, see? Opening this every day. So I think it's really true that they do this for the plant to have good oxygen. It's really nice. I hope I teach you, Kabayan, something new. Tara, this is banana, Kabayan. See, Kabayan, this is the banana. So now, Kuya, dito. Tapos na. I love you. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
You love me too. Bisaya, han-han. My han-han, more sweet than the, what is the stick? What is the stick? Yeah, my han-han, more sweet than the sugar cane. Hay nako, Kabayan. So, Kabayan, this is the banana. So, we can take one try or it doesn't taste good?
Not taste good for now because he did na.
It did not.
Hindi
See?
pa siya hinog. Hilaw pa, hilaw.
Not yet ready, huh?
Not yet ready.